Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMD. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I have done this analysis in the past. That's where these red and green lines are coming from, but just took a little break from it just because there wasn't a whole lot going on, but had a bunch of questions on it come in today, rightfully so, and a big update is finally made, or will be made, I should say. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos, but for those of you that have, this level up here about $9.20, we've been tracking it for a while, rejected the price, it pulled back, then made another go at it, got rejected, and I guess even this morning during that first 30 minutes, again, price was running, once again rejected by 920. So 920 has been a very stubborn area of resistance. However, today was a day where the price finally broke up above it, and you can see that was kind of, where the floodgates continued to open up and the price, just kept going on that much higher. So good to see that that level of resistance has been broken, and that segues into our initial update. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed below, you want to see them act as support. So like I said, 920 was the level of resistance, but now that the price has broken above it and closed above it, this would be considered an area of support, and definitely the ideal level of support. Why is that the case? Well, the price is just broken out. What is it broken out of? Well, it's broken out of, this range that it's kind of been stuck in for quite a while. So if this upwards move here is truly strong, then you're going to want to see continuation. Continuation just being, well, the price continues to make progress forward. And, falling back below 920 or, separating for the downside, that's not continuing forward. That's going right back to that range where it was. So while falling below 920, I'm not saying that the entire chart is ruined. I am just talking about specifically this move right here. If today's move is truly strong, then you're going to want continuation, and you're going to want to see the price stay up above that range. And that range I'm defining as $9.20. So just to reiterate, if it falls back below 920, I'm not saying that the big overall chart is ruined. I'm just saying that as far as this upwards move here is concerned, maybe it's not quite as strong as what it appears. But if the price, pulls back here, bounces around, and then heads back up, well, at that point in time, that would be great continuation because you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set of lows down here. You'd have that down there, and, you picture those as stair steps. Hopefully, that's pretty self-explanatory. So 920, definitely that ideal level of support going forward. In regards to levels of resistance, where are some next potential battlegrounds? For that, I'm going to change here to the daily time frame. And have to scrunch up the chart here. I'm actually not sure how far back in the chart's history. All right, we're going to go to the weekly time frame. This is a very good problem to have because it's just telling us that it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. Wow, so we are going way back into the chart's history. I'm talking 2011-ish type time frame. So next level right there at about $9.60. And then after $9.60 up there at, we'll call it about $10. So $9.60, $10. Next two key areas of resistance. So we'll see how this one continues to unfold this week, but no doubt about it, very nice day today. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.